Hi, welcome back to Hostbox cse channel and back to the tutorial for Python programming. Today we're going to see the simple project called how to create Python simple digit clock. If you execute that, you can get the output like this. Let's go for session today. So here I'm going to say in 5 steps. So creating a simple digital clock in Python is very easy thing. First step is we have to import the modules like from tkinter import asterisk symbol, then import time. After importing, so I'm again repeating, if you want you can execute the program in Pycharm ID, different IDs like Jupyter or anything, or else Python ideally 3.10 whatever version also. I'm going to execute the project in Pycharm only. Step number 2 is setting up the mainframe. So after importing the model, in the step that we can create the mainframe for the application. Then we can design the layout. In the step we can add the mainframe. After creating the mainframe, we can add now some layout to the application, how we display like this, and then creating the functions. Here we can use the tick function. Why means it will automatically get the clock function automatically. Whenever execute the application, it will show the clock is automatically displayed. So we are using the code called partial code called that is definition of tick. Then set time is called time dot strf of time, then percentage I m percentage esp. This for timing format. We are mostly display the Indian timing only. Then clock dot config of text code set time. Then clock dot after 200 comma tick. This is a method for this is a function for display the time automatically. This is from the system. Then step number 5 is very simple. That is initialize the application. So after finishing the function, you can save the program application of the program as index.py. Let's go for Pycharm it show the output also. So this is the one. So I'm going to show here and explain more also. Step number 1, from tkinter import asterisk symbol, then import time, and root is called tk. I'm giving root title as India. Whatever title you can give, then measure the. Then we can give the measurements of width and height, that is 600 and 400. Then screen width I'm giving the information of root dot win w info underscore screen width, and similarly screen height also. Then I'm going to use the screen width formula, that is x equal to screen width by 2 minus width by 2. Similarly, y is equal to screen underscore height by 2, height by 2, like that. Then root dot geometry percentage d, all the measurements giving parameters also giving the root dot resize 0. And then I'm giving the background color light blue. By displaying only you can check it out again. If you want you can change the color. Then I'm going to use a different definition of tick method where I'm going to set time. Just now I told you. Then we can give next one frame. So here we have to set the frame with the help of the things like top. Then mid is called frame, root comma width is called 600. Then mid dot backup side is equal to top comma export is equal to 1, and so on. Then label widget. So you can give the label widget where I'm going to give label underscore title. These parameters you already know if you well and good in Python. Then top comma text called Python simple digital clock in the headline. Then I'm giving width is called 600. Font size I'm giving. So whatever one you can give, nothing will happen. Font I'm giving Arial. If you want you can change it Times New Roman or anything now, anything there. Then I'm giving next line. So I'm go back. So simple and easy project. So if you want to develop the knowledge here, you can use everything. Then I'm giving label dot title dot pack of field is equal to x. Then I'm going to give clock is equal to label of mid comma font is called times comma time bold foreground is green and background color is light blue and clock dot pack like that. When I give it will from the system it take the time and display properly. Then I'm going to use a method if name is called main, then tick up then root dot main loop. This line we can complete the application here project here. So simple program. Once executed in the Pycharm, you will get the screen like this. So what is the like see like this. So Python I'm giving the root title is India, then Python simple digit logic. It show the present time is 6:12, 48 and so on like that. Okay, so this is about the project. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.